Well, now we'll do question 6. And you take a minute and read question 6, but they give us the expenses for an old car and a new car, and they want to know which is cheaper at the end of 5 years. So the first thing I did was compute the gas cost for a year. For the old car, it gets 20 miles to the gallon, and I used dimensional analysis and came up with $3,276 per year. Notice the gallons divide out here, and the miles divide out, and the weeks divide out. And we get that $3,276 per year. Now when I changed this 20 to a 60 miles to the gallon, that enabled me to find the cost per year of the new car, which is $1,092 per year in gasoline. If we multiply each of those values by 5, we get for fuel $5,460 for every 5 years for the new car, and $16,380 for 5 years for the old car. Now the cost of the new car is $12,000. The old car you already own. The insurance for 5 years for the new cars is 5 times 900 is $4,500. There are no repairs, and so the total cost for 5 years for the new car is $21,960. For the old car, the cost of insurance is $600 per year, and 5 times 600 is $3,000 for 5 years. And the cost of repairs for 5 years is 5 times $1,400, which is $7,000. And the total cost of upkeep for the old car is $26,380 for 5 years. The difference of those two values is $4,420, and so the new car is less expensive by that $4,420 in 5 years. And that's number 6. Number 7 is we've got the same values, but we're going to look at a yearly cost. So if we add up the cost for the new car is $12,000, and the insurance is $900, and the cost of gas was $1,092 per year. So add those up, you get $1,992 per year plus $12,000. For the old car, the cost is just the annual cost of gasoline, repairs, and insurance, and that adds up to $5,276. Well, both of these equations equate to C, so if two things equal the same, in other words, we'll equate these two equations and find the year when they're both equal, and the number of years after which the costs are equal. And by equating them and then subtracting 1,992y from both sides, we get 3,284y equals 12,000, dividing by 3,284, both sides. By that, we get the number of years is 3.7 years. So, for number 8, we've got to find out where your money's going, which is the most expensive. The vacation for $1,100 a year, movies once a week at $15 a week, that's $780 a year, or smoothies, $4.50 a day, and you get one every day times 365 is $1,642 a year for smoothies. So the smoothies have to go. They're the item that's just too expensive. And we're done.